ZENA stock analysis, ZENA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only person and the only guy in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos. I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything, right? ZenaTech, ultimately just a beautiful bullish market. You might be like, 14% now, but I really was here when it was like just early twos, right? Like it was 2 something. It's still 2, so it's not much difference, but in terms of percentages, there is a big difference. It was 223, expecting to kind of come down to like 215 like 2 weeks ago. And that was a beautiful delivery, even like this whole idea. At some point it was like 371. And honestly, like when I have a pump up as such, I'm still open-minded to doubling down and buying more, but only if I see my rules met. Like all I'm hoping to do is see this whack of accumulation. If that does not quite happen, then why the heck would I force buys? And I'm just saying. So that's how it's looking like for me. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5, 10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.